portfolio. So, meron ako na-setup dito na Calendly. If hindi pa kayo marunong, I'm going to create a separate video about this, pero you can try it yourself. Just search calendly.com and then create a new event. So, meron na ako dito. So, ika-copy ko na lang tong link and then babalik ako dito sa portfolio ko. And then I'm going to search dito apps and then search ko lang embed. And then click embed and then paste the link here. Add to design. And then it will pop here sa gilid. Tapos, ayan. So, if you want to make it more parang mas maganda tingnan, since wala naman tayong color gray sa portfolio natin, so, just click R, and then change the color to white or kung ano man yung kulay ng background nyo. And then just cover this part. Okay? Cover nyo lang yung part na yan para full on white na lang yung itsura niya. Okay? Okay. So, next is position to back. Sorry, to front. Yan. Then next, ang gagawin natin is we're going to remove all the red lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, para lang mas maganda siya, I'm going to add my email. So, email, graphics, here, dito sa babang part. Sorry, not that. Kasi hindi napapalitan yung color. Dapat napapalitan yung color niya. Ayan. Oh no. Hindi rin siya napapalitan. Hanap tayo ng napapalitan na color. May bayad kasi usually eh. Ito na lang. Walang bayad. Okay. Dito na lang. Then, this one, lagyan natin siya dito. Ilalagay ko hello@alianadelayon.com kasi this is my email address, guys. So, just put your email address here. And then, bold nyo siya. Ganyan. So, ito, bold nyo. Okay, tapos palitan natin to ng color. Medyo brownish. Yan. Ito. Ito, palitan lang natin siya ng... Okay? So, next, paano naman natin to gagawing clickable? Just click Ctrl-K and then type mail to, tapos ganyan, semicolon, ay colon pala, and then type hello@alianadelayon.com or kung ano man yung email address mo, okay? And then click done. Now, alisin natin yung underline. Okay, so tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa. Ang gagawin natin dito is, gagawin natin clickable yung mga buttons natin. Kasi hindi pwedeng hindi yan nakiklick. Sila client, kapag nakakita ng ganyan, ang iisipin nila kaagad is nakiklick yan. Okay, so paano ba yung gagawin? About, Control-K, then ito, drop down, click nyo lang yan, and then go to section 2 kasi yun yung about page nyo. Ito, diba? Okay, done. Then next, services. Ito yung services nyo, which is 1, 2, 3, pangatlong page. So, same, Control-K. Tapos dito sa drop-down, go to section 3. Then done. Experience, Control-K. Saan yung experience nyo? Dito sa page 4. So, right-click, Control-K, section 4, and then click done. Contact is your last page. So, if di kayo marunong ng shortcut, just click this, Control-K, and then drop down, then go to section 7, done. Now, ito, alisin nyo yung underline kasi hindi yan magandang tignan. So, alisin nyo lang yung underline. Control U. And then next, ito naman, gawin lang natin siyang link. Pwede din natin siyang ipunta sa section 2. Wala lang. So, ko lang. Pag click yung pangalan, mapupunta sa section 2. Okay? Next, ito naman, book a call now. Last page yan kasi nandun yung calendar natin. So, punta lang natin siya doon. And then again, guys, alisin niyo yung underline para hindi siya madumi tingnan. Okay? Next, any other buttons? View my resume. So, if may resume ako, guys, if hindi nyo pa natatry, I created a resumebuilder.com. alianadelayon.com. So if hindi nyo pa natatry, I created this resume builder. So just type resume.aliandadelayan.com. Mas preferred ng mga client guys ang Harvard style na resume kasi yung mga pictures nyo, pwede naman yan sa portfolio na nakalagay. Okay? Sa resume kasi mas prefer nila na malinis lang yung malinis lang yung resume tignan and mas professional siya. So I created this resume builder for free. All you have to do is to key in your information and then automatic na siyang maglalagay. Okay? Automatic na siya. And then just click send to email. Then if you want to join our Discord community, you can just click the link dito. Join our Discord community, guys. So dito ka nagpo-post ng mga free certification, free courses, at saka mga activities. Like for example dito, dito sa free courses, nandito lahat ng mga courses na pwede nyong i-take na merong free certificate. And then, if may mga ginawa kami sa live, dito ko rin siya pinopost. Like, for example, ito nung March 6, gumawa kami ng portfolio. And ito yung kinalabasan ng portfolio namin. Ayan yung kinalabasan ng ginawa namin. Ayan yung itsura niya. Okay? So, next is, ayun. So, ito na lang yung ilalagay kong link, for example. But if you have your portfolio, please upload it sa Google Drive. And then, Control-K, and then paste the link here. And then, alisin lang natin yung underline. Okay na yan. So, that's clickable. Next, ito, okay na din siya. So, everything looks good. Ang sunod na lang natin gagawin is to put animation. Okay? So, ito. Lagyan lang natin siya ng animate. Pwedeng up. And then, ito, since button siya, animate lang natin siya na pop. Ganyan. Okay? So, yun na lang yung ginagawa natin. Ito, lahat to, gagawin ko na lang rise. Ganyan. Ito, unlock ko lang, and then animate. Yan. Tapos, balik ko lang siya sa dati, lalak ko lang siya. Same thing here, guys. So, animate. So, depende na yan sa inyo kung ano yung animation na gusto nyong gamitin. Okay? Wait lang natin siya. Same thing here. Yan. Binago ko lang ng konti. Ayan. Okay? Next is, now we're done with our portfolio. So, this is a very basic portfolio, good for beginners. Ang sunod natin gagawin is to publish this website. And then, click natin yung publish. So, sa Canva, meron kayong 5 free website na pwedeng i-publish. Now, you have your very own portfolio website. This is how it looks like sa laptop view. Okay? So, now you have your website. Okay, di ba? So, now, check naman natin dito if all the buttons is working. So, about, services, experience, contact. Check naman natin to. Okay. Right? So, now it looks good. Pwede nyo na siyang gamitin pang-apply. If mag-a-apply kayo, you can link this sa online jobs profile nyo. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo yun gagawin. Online jobs. Sorry. Online jobs. If you're still figuring out kung ano yung niche nyo, I also created a niche checker. So, type nyo lang is what's my niche virtuallyaliana.com. So, just type what's my niche.virtuallyaliana.com and then click start assessment. Sagutan nyo lang to guys. And then you'll be able to see kung ano yung niche na pwede sa inyo if ever. Okay?